Well, hello everybody. What we've got today is a very special unboxing. This was sent to me by my friend that I met through Facebook. She was so sweet. She offered me her daughter's airplane, and I am going to unbox it. And it's wrapped really well, so I'm just going to do a bit of cutting and then I'll be right back. My friend Carrie wrapped this so well. There's so much tape on it, and it looks like she couldn't find a box big enough for this airplane, and so she had to tape two boxes together. So this is going to take me quite a while. We'll be right back. Okay, I think I've got most of the tape off. Now I'm just going to pull out the outer box. And, oh, there's bubble wrap all around it as well. My friend Carrie sure knows how to wrap things. And this airplane went on an airplane. How funny is that? Oh, I can see the front. Get this bubble wrap and packing paper out of the way. I'm so excited to get this. Oh, I'm going to turn it around and open this part and pull it out. Oh my goodness, there it is. Oh, and it's tied up like gift wrapped with a ribbon on top. How cool is that? Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Really amazing. Here it says Barbie. I'm going to just untie the ribbon. And the wings folded up so we can unfold the wing. And let me see how you open this. There's the other wing going down. I have a feeling there's something tricky to opening it that I don't know. Okay, I just figured it out. This part comes down. This part opens out. And oh, look, a cute little tent as well she put in there. Oh, this is adorable. I'm going to make a video about camping, that's for sure. And oh, she also sent me the grandpa doll that I wanted for so long. He's going to go together with my grandma doll. We'll have to get some clothes on him first. Look at his beautiful gray hair. He really matches the grandma. That's wonderful. Oh, and he's got elbow joints that move. I just love that. And let's see what, oh, this is the tray, the food tray for the airplane. And this looks like one of the airplane seats. And here's another one of the seats that has to be done. And a baby stroller. How adorable is that? Oh my goodness, Carrie, thank you so much. This is really lovely. And I'm going to figure out how it all works and put it all together. And I am going to make a really fun video. Thank you so much, Carrie. I love it. But wait, there's this whole bag full of stuff as well. Oh, there's the tail fin that goes on the back. I think I can figure that out. There we are. It goes in over here. And oh my goodness, there's even cute little suitcases. Oh, with tickets inside. Look at that. It's like money. Wow, it really opens and closes. And here's another suitcase. That's a wheelie one for Barbie to take. Oh, my dolls are going to go on the best vacation ever. Look, oh, and look, the handle actually moves up and down. This is so adorable. And here are two more wings. I think they are probably the tail wings. We'll find out where those go and I'll put the whole thing together. Well, I guess I'm a slow learner, but I did figure out how to put it together. These are the tail pieces. They fit into the rear tail, the two wings on the side, and these are the wings of the plane itself. It is huge. We can get quite a few dolls in there. We're gonna have quite the vacation. Bon voyage! See you later!